All right, so eyes closed, hands on the thighs facing skyward. Take a deep breath in, slowly out, in and out. One more slow, deep, gentle breath in and smile on your face, slowly out. Be with me in all these words. In the infinity of life, where I am, all is perfect, whole, and complete. I know all experiences of my life have got me where I'm meant to be. I am willing to learn and grow new things in life. I am willing to take responsibility of my life. I am taking charge of my life now. I am aware of my thoughts, words, and action, and more important, my state of being. I can quickly change from the struggle state to the beautiful state. And I know my beautiful state will create my beautiful life ahead. I'm taking charge of my life, doing the things which will make me feel happy, joyful, loving, and calm. I ask myself every time, what state am I? I ask myself, are you in the beautiful state now? And if the answer is yes, I continue enjoying my beautiful state. But if the answer is no, I quickly shift myself to the beautiful state. I love being in this beautiful, loving state of life. I feel so fulfilled and complete in this state. I thank God and for this 1 hour which has given me the insight that yes, the power is within me and I can make it happen. With lots of gratitude, take a deep breath in. Smile and breathe out. Take a loving deep breath in. Smile and breathe out. And one more. Loving deep breath in. And smile and breathe out. When you feel complete, open your eyes.